Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a TikTok trend slash YouTube short trend that people just put tape here like a rectangle and just fill in. So it's supposed to look pretty, so I don't know how it's gonna come out. With that being said, let's get started. I'm gonna be using this 3M tape that I have. The white bases I'm gonna be using is between the White Cream Makeup Water Washable, which is this one, and the Cream Makeup Water Washable. And I got these two at Walmart. I'm going to be using the Morphe palette and the Cara Beauty palette. I'm trying to keep it straight, but this is not really working for me, so I think I'm just gonna go on with concealer, guys. Okay guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? This trend was super fun, super creative to do. I liked it a lot. Of course, I went with green. Many people hate on green, but I love green. This brings us to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these, and if you have, thank you so much. Also, if you guys have any comments, leave them down below, and I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye guys.